Hello, it's Mark from Alfresco. Which roof cleaning method is best for me? That's the question we are answering today. Welcome back to our videos. Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home. Over time, moss, algae, and dirt can build up, leaving it looking tired and worn. Cleaning it can restore its appearance and even extend its lifespan. But which roof cleaning method is best for you? At Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, we offer several options, each designed to suit different needs. Soft washing. Soft washing is a gentle yet effective method. It involves applying a specialist cleaning solution that breaks down moss, algae, and grime. The solution is then rinsed away, leaving your roof clean and fresh. This method is perfect for roofs with delicate tiles or older materials. It's also eco-friendly, as the cleaning solutions we use are biodegradable. Soft washing not only cleans the roof, but also prevents organic regrowth for months after treatment. If you're looking for a method that is safe, effective, and protective, soft washing might be the best choice for you. Gentle hot water pressure washing. For more stubborn dirt and thicker moss growth, gentle hot water pressure washing is highly effective. This method uses low pressure hot water to lift dirt and moss from your roof tiles. The heat helps to remove organic growth while being kind to the tiles. Our team at Alfresco is trained to handle this equipment carefully. Different types of tiles, such as slate or concrete, are treated with precision to avoid damage. This method provides an immediate transformation, making it ideal for homeowners looking for quicker results, rather than boysides that can take months for the full effect. Why trust Alfresco? Choosing the right roof cleaning method is important, but so is choosing the right team. At Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, we bring nearly 30 years of experience to every project. Our team is fully trained and certified, ensuring safety and quality every time. For areas with limited access, we use equipment like our Hinoa tracked spider lift, which can fit through narrow pathways. We also carry out full risk assessments and method statements before every job. We understand that every roof is different. That's why we assess each roof carefully before recommending the best cleaning method. Which method is right for you? The choice depends on several factors. Roof condition. Older or delicate roofs may benefit from soft washing or manual moss removal. Amount of build-up. For heavy moss or grime, hot water pressure washing is ideal. Your preferences. Some homeowners prefer a method with instant results, while others focus on long-term prevention. At Alfresco, we're here to guide you. We take the time to explain each method so you feel confident in your decision. Book your roof cleaning today. Don't let moss and dirt ruin the appearance of your roof. Whether you need soft washing, pressure washing, or moss removal, Alfresco has you covered. Contact us today to discuss your needs and get a free quote. With nearly 3 decades of experience, we're proud to be Oxfordshire's best-rated roof cleaners. Your roof deserves the best care. Let Alfresco Exterior Cleaning make it look like new again. Call Oxfordshire best-rated exterior cleaning company today on 0123 575 4000